Hi everyone, what's up? It's Joshua here from Alternative Brewing, and today we're taking a look at Bialetti's Tuttocrema Milk Frother. Using the Tuttocrema is a great way to produce a rich, creamy froth milk for cappuccinos, flat whites and lattes, and I've discovered it will work well with most milk alternatives as well. The Tuttocrema has a 1 litre capacity to it, and it is made from aluminium with a smooth matte black finish on the outside and a non-stick teflon coating on the inside, which keeps the milk from cementing to the inner walls of the frother and ensures an easy clean. To use the Tuttocrema, simply add your milk, and it works just as well for cold as hot milk. The ideal milk temperature for hot is 65 degrees C, and you can achieve this with warmed up milk in the microwave for 30 to 50 seconds on high in a separate container, or by placing the Tuttocrema on a gas, ceramic or electric stovetop, which makes this a travel-ready milk frother. And to get that extra texture in your milk, you just want to pump the handle on top of the Tuttocrema 10 to 20 times at a steady rate. And it's that double mesh filter that does a fine job at aerating the milk. Once finished frothing, just give the milk a gentle swirl in the Tuttocrema and perhaps bang the jug down gently on the bench to remove any large bubbles. And with one more quick swirl, you're good enough to serve it, as the handle on the Tuttocrema is heat resistant, so you never have to worry about burning your hands when the frother is hot. Cleanup is as good as a rinse and a wipe out to go again or store it away for next time. And that's the Bialetti Tuttocrema for you. It's an essential milk frother that works really well with any milk. You can place it on the stove and it is durable enough to take camping. If you have any questions on the Bialetti Tuttocrema, then throw them in the comment section below and we'll get straight back to you. Don't forget to hit that little bell icon on your screen, that way you stay notified when we bring out new videos just like this every week. If you've enjoyed this video, hit the thumbs up. Thanks for following and we'll see you next time.